Alright, what's going on YouTube? Oh my goodness, it feels like it's been forever since I've done a video in the GTI. It has been a long time, to be honest. A lot of things have happened, a lot of things have changed. Sort of my mentality in general has just shifted, and honestly, I'm a different person now. But I still love cars, I still love my GTI, you know, and I figured I got my inspection done today on this car, so why not make a YouTube video on the way to Flagship Car Wash to get this thing a little bit cleaned from all this road salt here in Nova. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're just taking a little trip down to Flagship Car Wash. If you don't know, you gotta know. They do an awesome job. Gets the car super clean. You get to do it cleans the undercarriage. You get free vacuum so you can clean your interior a bit. Free towels to wipe things down. It's just great. They're great. But yeah, so a lot of things have happened with this car, to be honest. It's a DSG Mark 7. At about, I'd say, 80,000 miles or so, the DSG was making this really odd sort of whirring, grinding noise in 5th gear. And I knew it was bad from the rip. You know, as soon as I heard that noise, I was like, okay, this is not good. This is something inside the internals, you know? And then it progressively got worse. It progressively got louder and louder. And it even shifted to 6th gear. So I called my local shop, and they estimated that it might be a the DSG clutch packs were going out. That's one possibility. I still don't even know what happened, honestly, because I believe in order to really find the root cause, you would have to open up the trans and, you know, diagnose what really happened inside there. So didn't even bother, honestly. Just got a whole new unit, a used transmission that you know, got that used transmission, got that installed, and then while that was happening, we got a whole other bunch of work done. We got, you know, rear main seal done, timing chain cover, we got, you know, coolant flushed, new coolant tank, just a bunch of general maintenance done, and the cherry on top of everything, I figured the car's having all that maintenance done, I want to experience something new when I get it back. So we have a IS38 Plus turbo installed. The car has been driving absolutely great, no complaints at all, and it is tuned by Equilibrium Tuning, EQT. I've been with them since my first GTI, and they're great. Their tunes are great, reliable, and this time it's running the IS38 Stage 2 file. The DSG is tuned on their IS38 DSG tune, so everything is just running great right now. Yeah, and honestly, I'm still learning the difference between the IS20 and the IS38. Like, I'm still getting used to it. So do a little pull here just to demonstrate. Drop down to 3rd gear. Honestly, this thing needs a lot of space. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Whew. Well, I will say, guys, it's like give and take. It's a good thing and a bad thing, to be honest, when you upgrade your turbo. Obviously, there's more power, you have way more top end. When you want to fully utilize this turbo for what it is, use that top end, experience that different level of boost, you're going like 100 plus. You know, you're literally going 100 plus on the top end. And the car just wants to keep going and keep going. Okay, then you gotta ask yourself, where do you live? Obviously that's, you know, reckless driving. Then you have to deal with, you know, possibly getting a ticket, getting in trouble, etc., etc. And, you know, it's just not the most ideal thing, to be honest. It just depends on your risk level. That's what I think. Your risk level. Yeah, it's fun. You know, I think, to be fair, you know, you get on an open highway, literally nobody's around. Hit a little bit of boost, man. Hit a little bit of boost, man. I don't think you're hurting anybody. Just be responsible, you know? Have that discernment to know where and when is a more appropriate place to do it. Obviously, the track is the perfect place to do it, the proper place to do it. But let's be real, like 99% of people who have sport cars and they're driving them on the street, they're gonna want to have a little bit of fun and experience a little bit of acceleration, a little bit of thrill. You know, that's why they have the car in the first place, because, you know, the cars, they mean a lot more, you know, to us car enthusiasts. It's not just going from A to B, it's more of like the feel, the driving sensation, and you're truly connected with your car, you know? I think that's what it's all about. Damn guys, there's like so many people here today. It is packed, and then the line literally goes back there and around past the McDonald's into like the street. It's pretty wild today, it's pretty wild. Yeah. So yeah guys, just my final thoughts on the IS38 GTI. I think it's a worthwhile upgrade. You have plenty of power, honestly more than you can even use, to be to be honest. Plenty of power, reliable. It's not as expensive as going with a hybrid turbo, so definitely going to save on cost there. And it just depends on what you want to do with your goals with the car. Like if you want to go all out, balls to the wall, you know, make like 500 wheel plus, yeah, get the hybrid turbo and, you know, do all the other stuff that comes with that. But I wanted to get a turbo where I could feel the power. It's still an upgrade, but sort of keep myself in check, keep myself at a limit. And I still have a little bit of room to go up if I want to, which is nice, but I won't be doing that until later on. I'm just enjoying the car right now as it is. I'm very grateful for having this car and having it honestly where it is right now. It's an amazing machine. It's fun. It's reliable. Yeah, it's had its little hiccups here and there, but overall, for how the car performs and the way it's been reliable, I have no complaints, and it's a solid car. So yeah guys, I say if you want to do an IS38 upgrade, definitely do it. You will just fall in love with your car again. Truly, it's an amazing daily driver. Yeah, and if you got a DSG, it's even better, to be honest. I've had both. I've experienced both the manual and the DSG. DSG is the way to go on the MQB platform, hands down. I know that for sure, and that's coming from me driving a bunch of manual cars before in the past, and driving manual is great, but this specific car, it needs a DSG. It's legit. Yeah, it's been fun to get back behind the camera. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on the car, and you know, try to do some more videos. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, guys, I'm trying to focus my channel here still on cars, but also incorporate my faith journey, as I am a practicing Catholic, and it's honestly transformed my life for the better, and I'm very grateful and just happy to be in my faith, to continue to learn and grow closer to God. And I got to give all glory to God and thanks to God for everything that I have. You know, guys, I'm very appreciative, very grateful, and you know, all glory to the Lord for that. So thanks guys for watching. I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video.